After all your equipment has been co-located and placed in the order of your production flow, you can now maximize the benefits of your co-location by placing your equipment into a cell. Cellular layouts are the optimal flow-based layout. A cell is a close arrangement or setup of people, machines, or workstations. The purpose of a cellular layout is to fulfill a processing sequence while simultaneously reducing wait times, transportation, and other forms of muda. Cells can be difficult to set up and may require you to schedule a Kaizen event to make the adjustments. This is why you should co-locate the equipment according to sequence before designing a cell. In some cases, however, an office, for example, may not need to co-locate items because you mainly move computers, desks, and other lighter items, whereas a shop floor that has monuments would need to be co-located before building your cell. Keep in mind, there are many different types of cells that can be built. With this in mind, in the next 3 modules, we will discuss 3 important aspects of your designing of cells. Those are sequence, cell shapes, and point of use placement. We'll see you in the next module.